Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So let's check. Okay, who is thinking of you? Okay, and why? Yan, no? Siyempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And siyempre, kung meron pong mga tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me. And kung may mga tanong rin pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items, okay, so that's for protection po, no, yung ating mga evil eye. So ito yung ating all-in-one evil eye bracelet, ito yung adjustable, ito yung garterize, okay, so yan po so pareho silang unisex, okay po. So ito naman ang ating evil eye ring, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and adjustable, okay. And syempre meron tayong necklace, okay. So ito naman ang ating evil eye necklace, okay. So again, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and this is adjustable. Meron po ditong extender, okay, para inyong mapapahabaan, mapapaiklian yung chain, okay. So ano pa, yung ating love bracelet, okay. Si love bracelet is made to order. This is 7 inches long, okay, from here sa lock hanggang dito sa pinagkakabitan, 7 inches, okay. So pwede sa singles, pwede sa may mga conflict, okay, pwede sa may mga conflict, okay, sa mga love situation, so sa mga connect, okay. And yun nga sa mga naghahanap, no, ng love, okay. And yun din sa may mga ka-break, ka-separate, yan, okay, pwede to sa inyo. So kung anong kailangan pagdating sa sitwasyon sa love, ipo-provide niya, okay. So doon naman tayo kay grantor. Katulad ni love bracelet, this is made to order, okay. So this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and yung kanyang kanyang pendant is merong acrylic, so it's like may glass sa front and back, okay. So ganyan po this is unisex po si grantor. Kung meron pang ibang tanong, again, please message na lang po pa-PM po PM, wag sa comment section kasi may chance na hindi makikita. Pwede kasing matabunan sa sobrang daming nagko-comment, okay. Kita nyo naman may mga scammers daan sa ating comment section. So mas maganda, mas safe kung kayo ay mag-PPM sa ating page, okay. So yun lamang. And syempre, if you're interested rin na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, okay, so message nyo lang siya sa kanya pong FB page. And ito yung kanyang Perception of Light. Yan po ang inyong itatype sa FB kung inyong hahanapin. Ganyan po ang spell. Yes, Perception of Light, okay. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message, okay. So again, don't forget to follow si Kuya Dingsi, okay. So yan lang po ang inyong mga itatype, okay. So let's start the reading for you all signs, okay. So you can check your other placements if you know your placements, other placements, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, North Node, okay. So sino bang nag-iisip sa'yo and bakit kanya iniisip? Yan, tingnan natin. Aries, okay. Who's thinking of you and why? Sino bang nag-iisip sa'yo, Aries? At bakit kanya iniisip? Tingnan natin. Who is this? So, pwedeng Sagittarius. This is Temperance. Okay. And the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. This person, sabihin nating nag-step back, or pwedeng ikaw yung nag-step back. Okay. You're waiting for them, or maybe they are the one who's waiting for you. I don't know kung anong meron. Okay. Kung anong pinaghihintay nito. Some of them may anak, okay. They're patiently waiting Something like that. Okay? Pwedeng may pag-avoid na nangyari sa inyong dalawa. Okay? So, siya yung nag-iisip. Tingnan natin bakit. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng binigay mo lahat, ginawa mo lahat sa taong to. Pwedeng vice versa. Okay? Yeah, this is just general. So, pwedeng maging ikaw or siyang makaka-connect dito sa ating reading. Okay, so bakit kanya iniisip? The King of Swords, the Six of Swords. Okay, so pwedeng ang dahilan is yung pagdistansya na ginagawa mo, yung pagiging tahimik mo. Pwedeng naku-curious sila sa kung anong meron sa'yo ngayon. Okay, yeah, the Five of Swords. This is thinking, stress maybe, or curiosity. Something like marami silang iniisip pagdating sa'yo. Kasi pwedeng yun nga, isa sa inyo is naging open and sabihin natin parang binigay lahat, ginawa lahat. So, parang may nag-step back. Okay, so yun yung isang dahilan kung bakit, andun yung mga tanong. Okay, nandun yung mga tanong, bakit kaya siya, paano niya kaya yung nagawa, parang ganyan, paano siya nagiging silent ngayon, paano niya nakakaya na hindi mag-reply or hindi mag-chat sa akin, like that. Okay, so you're giving them a lot of questions, okay, na pwedeng, some of them they're stalking you, I think. Okay, they're not doing anything. Yeah. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng sabihin nating may nakuha sa'yo itong taong to. Okay? May nakuha sa'yo. And ang iniisip niya is, hahabulin kaya niya yung nakuha ko sa kanya. Parang ganun. That's specific. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? So, there. Next. Taurus. Okay. So, who's this person thinking of you? And why? Sino nag-iisip sa'yo ngayon, Taurus? And bakit ka ba niya iniisip? Okay, so ano to? So, the Three of Chalices in reverse and the Tower. So, pwedeng may nangyaring separation dito. Hindi na kayo nagkikita nito, actually. Pwedeng water sign, pwedeng Scorpio. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay? Yeah. This is a past person's energy. Okay? So, may nangyaring separation. Some of you may third party na nalaman. Kaya may nangyaring separation. That's specific. So, bakit kanya iniisip? Bakit ka iniisip ng taong to? Taurus. Okay, the Seven of Swords. Okay, may nag-flip. Okay. The Six of Wands in reverse. So, we have here the Seven of Swords and the Six of Wands in reverse. Ang iniisip nito, pwedeng napaltan mo na siya. Okay? Baka napaltan mo na siya. Because you're avoiding them. Okay? You're avoiding them, or maybe hindi ka na nakikipag-reconcile, or mas pinipili mo yung separation. Iniisip ka nito kasi pwedeng yun nga ang nasa utak nila is baka may nakakakuha na ng attention mo aside sa kanya. Okay? Here the Two of Chalices in reverse. Feeling nito is talagang nakakawala ka na sa energy niya. Okay? So, paano na? Paano na ako, Taurus? Parang ganon. Baka mamaya, andyan na yung meron ka ng iba. There's, energy of jealousy dito sa Six of Wands in reverse. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Wands. Pwedeng iniisip rin ito na baka napalitan na niya ako. Meron na siyang naipalit sa akin. Yun, ganon ang naiisip niya. Okay? Because yes, wala silang makuha eh. Wala silang makuha kung ano man. Okay, feeling nila pinagtataguan mo na sila, iniiwasan mo na sila. Okay, may pagsaselos ako nakukuha from them. Okay, we have here air sign and fire sign. Yeah. Unexpected, some of you, unexpected itong nararamdaman, or pwedeng hindi siya sanay na ganito ka sa kanya. Kaya ganyan. Okay? Pwedeng ayun ang dahilan kung bakit kanya iniisip. Okay? So, there. Next! Gemini. Okay, so Gemini. Who's thinking of you and why? Who's thinking of you, Gemini, and why? Bakit kanya iniisip? Sino itong nag-iisip sa'yo ngayon, Gemini? Let's see. The Queen of Pentacles. The Nine of Chalices in reversed. This person likes you. They want to commit. Okay. Yeah. The Three of Swords in reversed. Gusto ka niya. Nakakakuha siya ng happiness from you, or maybe ganun ka rin for, sa kanya. Okay? Some of them may chance na pwedeng meron ng anak. Yes. Ito yung taong pwedeng sa tingin mo hindi mo makuha. Yeah, they're thinking of you. Let's see why. Bakit ka iniisip ng taong to? Gemini, the Three of Pentacles. Some of you pwedeng katrabaho mo to. Okay, something like work related, kaya kanya iniisip. Okay. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. The Hierophant. I think this is responsibilities. Okay. Hindi mo naman makuha tong taong to. Kaya ka lang niya iniisip kasi pwedeng merong nagko-connect sa inyo. Something like that. Like the environment na pinupuntahan nyo or ka-work mo. Wala naman eh. Wala naman dahilan para o kung ano man iniisip mo. Okay? Pwedeng gusto mo tong taong to. Nakikibagay lang sa'yo tong taong to, sa totoo lang. Okay? They're not doing anything. Yeah, the Emperor. Pwedeng work related, I guess. Kaya kanya naiisip paminsan-minsan like that. Pwedeng friend mo. Okay, co-worker. Kaklase. Mga kaklase. Someone na pwedeng nakakasama mo. Okay, so yeah, the energy is nandyan. Parang ganon. Pero hindi mo siya makuha. Gusto mo tong taong to, I think. Pwedeng earth sign, water, a lot of earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have here Aries. Okay. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng boss, someone na pwedeng may business tong taong to, or someone na pwedeng napaka-busy. Anyway, okay. Cancer. So, who's thinking of you, Cancer, and why? Why are they thinking of you? Okay, Cancer. Who's this thinking of you? The Page of Wands. They find you interesting. Yeah, they find you interesting. Okay, some of you ka-flirt mo. Cancer, some of you ka-flirt mo. Yeah, the Six of Pentacles in reversed. The Ace of Swords in reverse. Some of you may naririnig ako ditong ang tawag dyan, unrequited love. Okay? Unrequited. Ooh, that's the sign. Toot! Ito yung parang tagong connection. Parang landian. Pwedeng kalandian mo to, Cancer, ha? Okay? So, yeah. The Ace of Wands. Energy ng pwedeng sex base or something like flirt or physical connection maybe. Hang on, sandali lang po. Okay, so Cancer, let's see bakit kanya iniisip ngayon. Okay, some of you hindi consistent itong connection na to. Yeah, one-sided, I guess. Anong meron? Bakit kanya iniisip, Cancer? The Lovers. And the Ten of Pentacles. Gusto nito na ikaw ang makasama. Okay? Pero hindi niya kaya. Some of you, if meron ditong third party, whenever na hindi sila available or hindi kanya kakonect or hindi kanya kausap and nandun siya sa isang connection, ikaw palaging nasa utak niya. Pwedeng, yeah, I think your person, kung sino man to na nag-iisip sa'yo, meron silang iba. Okay? Meron silang iba. Yeah. Okay? So, doon ka lang niya iniisip every time na hindi kayo magka-connect. This person likes you. Parang nandoon yung energy na nag-grow yung love niya for you. Yes. Specific, some of them talaga mayroong family. Okay? And every time na nandun siya sa family niya, his own family, sabihin nating ikaw nasa utak. Okay? Ikaw nasa utak ng taong to. So, whenever na hindi kayo magka-connect or magkausap, nagkikita, ikaw nasa utak niya. Next, Leo. Okay, Leo. So, who's thinking of you and why? Okay, who's thinking of you, Leo? Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leo, the king of chalices in reverse. They're not open emotionally. The 5 of Wands, they're avoiding drama. Okay, so that is why hindi sila nagiging open emotionally. Okay, some of you, they're at a distance, like malayo sila sa'yo. Okay, meron ditong block, some of them, or may limits itong taong to pagdating sa emosyon. Okay, let's see, bakit kanya iniisip? So we have here water and fire. Okay, bakit kanya iniisip, Leo? The Queen of Wands. They're attracted. They like you physically, maybe admiring you. Okay. They're confused. They like you. They like you. Okay? But yeah, they're hiding their true feelings. Emotions. Okay? So, pwedeng Pisces, fire sign, Virgo, and another fire sign. The 3 of Swords. Some of you, takot ito na masaktan. Okay? They admire you. It's like an energy of attraction. Someone na attracted sa'yo. Pero, they're like playing it cool. They're just like playing it cool. Like, hindi nila parang ipinapakitang gusto ka. Okay? Some of them, they're acting avoidant. Being avoidant. Distant. Para masabing hindi sila into you. Okay? So, yeah, they're just playing cool. Okay? Iniiwasan nito na ma-fall sa'yo. Pero yes, nafo-fall. Okay? Nafo-fall. Yeah, say strength. Nilalabanan nito yung sarili niyang kung ano mang nararamdaman niya for you. Okay, there's blockage here. Anyway, may chance na malayo sa'yo or pwedeng inilalayo lang niya yung sarili niya sa'yo. Physically, emotionally maybe. They're on a crossroads. Like, bakit kanya nagugustuhan or something like that. Okay, so let's see, ano tong Two of Wands? Some of them meron siyang kakonek. Yes, some of them. Okay, kaya hindi pwede. Again, Hermit. Pwedeng Virgo. Some of them talagang mas pinipili lang nilang itago yung totoong emosyon kung walang kung walang iba tong taong to. Okay? Pero yeah, some of you may iba. Okay, so there. Anyway, okay, next. Virgo. Hi, Virgo. So, who's thinking of you? Pero syempre, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, Virgo placements. Who's thinking of you and why? Who's thinking of you, Virgo? Ace of Pentacles. Okay, what's that? Some of you, this is a new person. The King of Swords. Some of them nagtatrabaho, sabihin natin parang under the government or munisipyo, mga ganyan. Law. Okay? Nandyan din yung doctor, pagtulong, something like that. Okay? The Ace of Pentacles. I think this is someone new. Pwedeng Aqua, pwedeng Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. They're silent. Some of them, they're too serious. You will find this person serious. Dead serious. Like that. Tahimik, parang ganyan. Too busy, I guess. Okay. Some of them, they're working like madalas more pagdating sa mga kamay, something like that, like handicraft, like anyway. Okay, let's see. Bakit kanila iniisip, Virgo? The Nine of Pentacles. Okay. This is attraction. I guess. Yeah, this is attraction. What's with this Nine of Pentacles? The Queen of Swords. You're getting their attention. Okay? Curiosity. Some of you, kung ikaw itong parang tahimik, okay, nakukuha mo yung attention niya. Yeah. Some of you, may chance na nagka-connect na kayo nito before, or may nangyaring, I think you're mirroring each other. You're mirroring each other, Virgo. Yeah. You're silent, they're silent. They like you, you like them. Okay? This is parehong energy. But yeah, this is mirroring. Okay? So, nandyan yung, pareho kayong nag-iisipan. The Seven of Chalices is here. There's a lot of confusion right now. What? Yeah, the Tower. I think, yung iba sa inyo, may chance na nag-connect na noon, pero may nangyari lang something like ending, or may pag-avoid, ending death. Okay? May nangyaring ending dito. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng kinasal kayo. Okay, something like that. That's specific, pero may nakakuha ko ditong naikasal na sa taong to. Yes. ang iniisip nito puro ano sabihin nating kaya kanya naiisip is pwedeng may mga responsibilidad na naiwan sa'yo tong taong to, like kaya niya mag-isa, parang ganyan, about pera, about finance. Okay, kinakaya niya kaya mag-isa. Okay, some of you nasa iyo yung mga anak, kung may anak kayo. Alam niya yung kasalanan niya. Okay? Yeah, that's specific. So, we have here Aqua, Libra, Scorpio, Earth signs. Big Scorpio placements. Next, Libra. Okay, so Libra. Hi! Okay, so Libra. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Yeah, big help yan sa ating channel. Libra, who is this person thinking of you and why? Okay, let's see. Sino ba itong nag-iisip sa'yo, Libra? Anong meron sa kanya? The 7 of Wands in reverse. Okay, so pwedeng tinalikuran ka nito, nilayuan ka, or pwedeng wala siyang pakialam sa'yo ngayon. Pwedeng fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Yeah, the Fool in reverse. I think this person is afraid to make an action, or sabihin nating nag-step back. Okay, nag-back out. Yeah. Some of them, they have money. Okay, they have money. Hindi yun para sa lahat, pero yeah, this person is afraid na kumunek sa'yo, I think. Na gumawa ng action sa'yo. They're afraid. Okay? Bakit sila takot? Let's see. Anong dahilan? Anong dahilan nito, Libra? The 4 of Pentacles. Some of them, they're a loner. Introvert, I guess. Okay, yeah, the justice is here. Some of them, meron silang way of thinking na pwedeng you're currently in a relationship, I guess. Parang ganon. So, that is why nakakatakot or hindi na para kumonek sa'yo. Okay? Yeah, Eight of Wands. This person is not talking. Okay, they're not communicating with you. Holding back. Why? Bakit kanya iniisip? Pwedeng earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, why are they thinking of you? Why are they thinking of you? Why is this person thinking of you, Libra? The 10 of Chalices in reverse. Okay. And the Devil in reverse. Okay, so pwedeng Capricorn. The Empress. Yeah, there is attraction. Okay, attraction big time. Physical. Okay, physical attraction. I guess meron lang itong mga natatandaan. Okay, na mga scenario. So, nandun yung parang namimiss ka lang niya. Yeah, namimiss ka niya. Meron ditong something na pwedeng nagpapaalala sa kanya. Maybe the way you dress. The way you speak. Okay? Yeah, they are admiring you. They admire you. Parang napasaya mo noon itong taong to. Pwedeng hindi mo alam na napapasaya mo siya. Pero ngayon parang wala eh. Kasi pwedeng yun nga. Pwedeng may nawala bigla. May nag-hold back. Or sabihin natin may nangyaring teka lang. Parang ganon. Yeah, the Magician. Pwedeng Virgo. This is low-key obsessed. Low-key. Low-key obsession. This person likes you. They like you. They felt sad, every time na hindi ka na nakikita, every time na hindi ka niya nakakausap, man lang, mga ganyan, or yun nga, nakikita man lang, they felt sad. Yeah, they're reminiscing or something like, may mga naaalala siya about you. This person is admiring you. Okay? They're admiring you. They find you someone na pwedeng hardworking, like that. Okay? Alam nyo, itong taong to, nandyan yung parang susulyap-sulyap lang sa'yo. Oo, pero hindi sila talagang kumokonek. Low-key obsessed. Yeah, anyway. Okay, we have here Capricorn, water sign, Virgo, earth sign, Aries, and fire. Okay, this could be any sign. Okay, next is Scorpio. Scorpio placements. Yeah. Okay, so who is thinking of you and why? Let's see, Scorpio. Who's thinking of you right now and why? Pero syempre, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Scorpio, who's thinking of you? The Nine of Swords. Pwedeng air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Why the Nine of Swords? The Devil. What? Some of them, they're too negative. Scorpio, they're too negative. Some of you, napaiyak ka na ng taong to. Specific yon, napaiyak ka na niya. Okay? Some of them, nandyan yung sobrang TH. Sobrang maka-TH. Ano po yun? Tamang hinala. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah, they're obsessed. Someone. Pwedeng Capricorn with air sign. Ano pang meron sa kanya? Some of you, pwedeng iniisip-isip mo rin to, Scorpio. Okay? Why? Anong meron dito? The Chariot in reversed. Pwedeng past energy, past person's energy. Okay, they want to connect. Maybe. Some of you, hindi kayo nag-uusap nito. Still, hindi pa rin nakaka-move on. Scorpio. Okay, so we have here Cancer yan. Anong meron? Bakit kanya iniisip aside sa hindi pa siya nakaka-move on? Tingnan natin. Oh my God. There's depression here. I'm seeing depression dito, Scorpio. Anyway. Anong dahilan? Bakit kanya iniisip ngayon? Or bakit kanya iniisip? The Three of Swords. They're in a lot of pain. If there's, yun nga, separation, yun ang isang dahilan eh. Okay? Three of Swords. This is a lot of pain. This is pain. This is hurting. Okay? Some of you, trauma. Okay? Yeah, the Lovers. Oh my. Some of you, there's third party. Okay? Iniisip nito about third party. Iniisip nito sinong pipiliin. They're like getting impatient pagdating dyan. Okay? Someone na pwedeng, ito ha, if this person is still in a connection with you, they're overthinking. They're sad. Nandiyan na yung parang natotoxic na siya. Ang toxic na. Kasi gusto na niya na may makita, may malaman, something na kalinawan. Okay, the Three of Swords, the Lovers, this is a third party energy. Okay, so pwedeng ang hinihintay nito, yeah, they're waiting, pero nagiging impatient na. Okay, sino ba ang pipiliin? Yeah. Or sabihin natin, matatapos pa ba to? Yeah. If this is trauma, and for you, yung connection nyo is okay na for you, they're still in pain. They're still, yeah, hindi pa sila nakaka-let go sa past. No, they're not healed. Okay, yeah, the Seven of Pentacles. Someone is invested. Someone is sabihin nating nagbigay ng lahat-lahat. Like all in one. Okay. Okay. Lahat na ibinigay. Kahit hindi siya sigurado. Ang laki na ng ipinusta nito, ha. Kaya ganyan. This is overthinking. Depression. Okay? Ayokong iiwan ako. Parang ganun. So, gagawin ko lahat. Okay? So, ay nako. Kahit hindi siya sigurado. Yeah, see, the Ace of Swords. Gusto nito siya, pipiliin mo. May takot eh. Kaya ginagawa niya lahat. I don't know who. If this is, ito ba yung third party or yung totoo. Yung legal, no? Okay? Yeah, this is so sad. Nalulungkot ako sa energy na to. Anyway. So, yeah. Next. Sagittarius. Okay, so Sag. Okay, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, Sag. So, who is this person na nag-iisip sa'yo? Who's thinking of you and why? Let's see. Who's thinking of you, Sag? Sagittarius placements. Who's thinking of you? The Four of Pentacles in reversed. Pwedeng earth sign. The Lovers. Okay. Ito yung taong gusto ng connection with you. Pwedeng Gemini. Some of you, binibigyan ka niya. Some of you, meron ako dito na nakukuha ang energy na nanliligaw. Pwedeng manliligaw mo to, Sag. Okay? Something na pwedeng gusto niyang kumonek sa'yo, kaya ibinibigay niya lahat. Nagiging open siya sa'yo. Emotionally, financially. Okay? Yeah. They want a connection with you. So, isang dahilan yun bakit kanya iniisip. Let's see. What else? What else? Anong meron? Bakit kanya iniisip, Sag? The Five of Swords. Okay. Some of you may nag-iisip dito ng breadcrumb or something like mixed emotions. Okay? Conflicts, maybe. Yeah, that's... Ooh. This is so specific, Sag. I'm getting an energy of a friend who wants you. Okay? Pero ang nakikita ko rito, parang dihado. Okay? Dihado yung lagay niya kasi pwedeng friend mo siya. Yeah. Okay? Yeah, the Seven of Chalices in reverse. Some of you, parang nakikipag-challenge. Yes, ang dami niya nakikitang challenge pagdating sa'yo. Sa pakikipag-connect. Maybe, ikaw to, Sagittarius, na maraming kumu-connect sa'yo and, yeah, they find you as a challenge. Yeah. Magustuhan kaya ako ni Sag? Binigay ko na lahat. Parang ganon. Okay? That's specific. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles, you're talking. Yeah, you have this communication sa ngayon. You're always in their head. Okay? Or the Three of Chalices in reversed. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. So maybe the timing is not right. Okay, yeah, the Knight of Wands. Yeah, this person likes you. They want you. They want to pursue you, I guess. Yeah, the strength is here. Putting effort. Okay. Someone's option is open. Like maybe your option is open. Sag. Maybe. So they find you someone na parang challenging. So that's why. That is why. Okay? Anyway. Okay, so we have here water, air, Gemini, and the earth sign. This could be any sign. Okay, next, Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn placements. Okay. So, who's thinking of you and why? Syempre. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? So, who's thinking of you, Capricorn? Who's this person thinking of you and why? Who are they? Oh, the Three of Swords. Some of you, you have this separation or pwedeng may nangyaring breakup sa inyo. Okay? What's this? The Star in reverse. In general, this person is struggling mentally, emotionally. They're not talking. The Eight of Wands, I guess. May chance ng black messages here. Okay. The Empress in reversed. Ito yung taong napaka-negative na ng tingin sa sitwasyon. Okay, some of them may chance ng may doubt sila sa sarili. Okay? Dinadown nila yung sarili nila. May ganon na energy. So, bakit ka nila iniisip? What are they thinking of you? Capricorn. Bakit ka niya iniisip? The High Priestess. Something about intuition. The Two of Swords. Kung may breakup kayo, separation, feeling nito meron ka nang nakitang iba. Okay? Feeling nito nakakalayo ka na ng todong-todo. Okay? This person is thinking of you a lot. Day and night. The Nine of Swords is here. The Moon. Okay? Mas madalas itong taong ito hindi na nakakatulog sa gabi. Yeah. They felt hopeless sa situation ninyo ngayon. Okay? What else? Paano malaman ko sino to? What else? Aside dito sa dalawang cards. The Sun in reversed. This person is so sad. What? You have maybe on and off na nangyari sa past? Okay? What? Napaka-negative ng taong to. They're sad. Deep, deep, deep down, they are sad. They're a loner. Some of them, they're a loner. Okay? Some of you, if this is a new person, feeling nila ina-avoid mo sila. Okay? Kaya ka nila iniisip. Feeling nila hindi mo sila napapansin or parang hinahayaan mo lang sila or talagang hindi mo lang sila pinagtutuunan ng pansin ngayon. They felt that. Okay? They feel that. Like, pwedeng, ay, baka hindi na ako gusto ni Capricorn. Like that. Okay? Some of you, iniisip nila na pwedeng napupunta na sa iba yung attention mo. Ay, Okay? They want, some of you, if this is a past person, they want na magkaroon kayo ng new beginning. Okay? Ayaw nito na makakaalis ka, makakawala ka. Like totally. 100% na makakawala. Okay? They can trade you. Oo, hindi ka lang mabasa, Capricorn. Hindi ka mabasa ng taong to ngayon. Yeah, the King of Swords. They want to connect. They want to know kung ano man ang meron sa'yo. Some of them, they're being jealous. Okay? They're being jealous. Okay. Aqua, Cancer, air sign, Leo, Aquarius, and another air sign. Hang on. Wait lang po, ha? Okay. So, next is Aquarius. Okay. So, Aqua. Okay. So, who is this person thinking of you and why? Sino tong nag-iisip sa'yo ngayon, Aqua, and bakit ka nila iniisip? Siyempre, before tayo mag-start, no, na bumunot, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Thank you. Yeah, big help yan sa ating channel. Okay, so Aqua, who's thinking of you? Who's thinking of you and why? The Four of Swords in reversed. Someone na pwedeng nakakalimut-limutan mo na. Yeah, some of you. Okay? So, what's this Four of Swords in reversed? Death in reversed. Yeah. Pwedeng nag-heal ka na sa kanya, actually. Okay? So, now, sila naman yung nag-obsess sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. Pwedeng air sign, pwedeng Scorpio. Some of you, this person wants to come back, wants to talk to you again. Wanting to reunite. Wanting to reconnect. Okay? So, maybe, isang dahilan yon kung bakit ka nila iniisip ngayon. Okay, what else? Ano pang dahilan niya? Bakit kanya iniisip ngayon, Aqua? Yeah, the Empress. Now they're thinking na magkaroon ng progress sa inyo. So, in general, this is just talking about attraction. Okay? They like you. The Empress. Temperance. Now, they're obsessing talaga. They're being impatient. Okay? Some of you, if this person finds you someone na talagang healing na or healed, ayaw nila yun. Ayaw nila yun. Okay? Gusto nila na bumalik ka muli sa kung anumang meron sa'yo noon. Like, kung nag-obsess ka dati, gusto nila ganun ka ulit. Okay? Yeah, the Seven of Chalices. Gusto nito ma-confuse ka ulit. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Swords in reverse. May galit tong taong to actually. Yeah. May mga tao na pwedeng hindi mo to kakonek no? Sabihin natin yung mga energy na nakapaligid sa'yo. Gusto ka nila na parang i-provoke. Makita kung paano ka magalit, kung paano ka maapektuhan sa mga pinagagawa nila or sa kung ano man ang mga pinagsasabi. Okay? Gusto nila makita yung totoong ikaw, kung paano ka magalit, kung paano ka mabwisit, kung paano ka maasar, kung ano man. Like, gusto lang nilang sirain yung energy na meron ka because they find you as the Empress or Emperor. Okay? Walang kwenta. Oo, itong mga taong to, sino man tong mga to, actually, no, hindi kailangan pagtuunan ng pansin. Okay? Walang magawa sa buhay. Yeah, real talk lang. Okay? Yeah, the King of Wands in reverse. Some of them, pwedeng walang trabaho, walang goal sa buhay, walang direction, walang ruta. Okay? So, ikaw meron. So, ang gusto lang gawin ng mga to is to confuse you. Yeah. Paano kaya namin makukonfuse? Paano kaya namin maaalis si Aqua? Oo, sa kanyang direction pinupuntahan. Kasi, gusto namin, some of you, pwedeng friend mo to. Or mga taong nilayuan mo dahil mas pinili mo yung sabihin natin, sarili mo, yung goals mo. Sila hindi eh. Okay? Yeah. This is a lot. Okay? There are a lot. Some of you, andyan yung mga nagbabato sa'yo ng evil eye. Okay? So, you have to protect your energy. Protect it. Okay? So, pwedeng Libra, Virgo, Taurus, Sagittarius, Scorpio, and air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay, next, Pisces. So, Pisces, placements. Who is this person thinking of you and why? Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, Pisces, who is this thinking of you and why? Let me shuffle. Okay. Pisces, sino ba nag-iisip sa inyo ngayon? At bakit kanya iniisip? Justice Universe, some of you meron kayong mga legal issues. Okay, pwedeng Libra. Justice Universe. And yeah, something like regarding family matter. Okay, family matter. In general, this is family issue. Or something like legal issue. You have divorce maybe or annulment with them. Excuse me. Pwedeng may anak kayo nito together. Okay? Or may business kayo nito together. Like that. Okay, Pisces. Oops. Bakit kanya iniisip? Yeah, the Eight of Pentacles, they want to work it out. Like something na pwedeng may ayos, may fix. What? What's with the Eight of Pentacles? Yeah, the Page of Pentacles reversed. The Three of Pentacles though in reversed. So meron itong gustong i-fix. May gusto siyang parang i-work out sa sitwasyon nyo kung anong mang meron. Okay, to be specific, there's imbalance na ibinigay itong taong to sa'yo. And now, they want to sabihin nating magsimula muli. Pero the Page of Pentacles is in the reverse. This is delays. Okay, what's with the Page of Pentacles in reverse? Bakit? Bakit hindi nila ginagawa? Yeah, the Tower. They're afraid of the unexpected. Okay, now they're overthinking. Okay. Afraid silang makita, I don't know, kung paano ka magalit maybe, or takot sila sa rejection. Like that. Okay, they want to work things out. Okay, they want to fix something sa inyo, issues or whatsoever. Pero, they're delaying it. Dinidelay nila. Kasi, yun nga, may chance na takot sila sa rejection. Takot sila sa siguro ng mga pwede mong sabihin. Okay? So, yeah. Yun lang ang akin nakukuha sa'yo. Yeah, the Chariot in reversed. The Fool, yeah. They're afraid. Afraid of the commitments, maybe. Afraid of stepping up. Like that. Okay, so we have here Cancer, Scorpio, Earth sign, and Libra. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, the Earth signs. Okay, so there. Yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.